The return of war to Europe marked 2022, and the world changed with Ukraine's invasion by Russia. The reality in Poland also changed, as well as our priorities. Millions of Ukrainian refugees fled to Poland, and Biedronka was ready to support them. Together with the company's customers and the Biedronka Foundation, we have donated more than 10 million euros to local institutions working close to those people fleeing the war. Rising inflation impacted the financial stability of households. Therefore, and to protect consumers' purchasing power, we absorbed part of the increase in the cost of goods. We froze the prices of essential goods and strengthened our promotional dynamic. Our sales surpassed the 25 billion euro barrier, a 21.5% increase year-on-year. And despite the reduction of our margins, EBITDA and profits improved. We kept our commitment to the future, investing more than 1 billion euros, the highest amount ever. The year 2022 marked the opening of Ara's 1,000th store, almost a decade after we entered Colombia. The results are also a reflection of the commitment of our more than 131,000 employees. We invested 289 million euros in bonuses and awards, and 2/3 of management positions are held by women in a group that includes more than 70 nationalities. To promote the inclusion of people with disabilities in the job market, we opened our second Include Center in Porto. In Portugal, Poland, and Colombia, the reformulation of our private brand products helped to avoid the use of over 750 tons of sugar, 271 of fat, and 121 of salt. To ensure we deliver the freshest food, reduce transport emissions, and promote the economy of the regions where we operate, 91% of our food products were sourced from local suppliers. We have reduced our carbon footprint by over 40% compared to 2017 in relative terms, and we remain committed to increasing our consumption of energy from renewable sources. As a result of our efforts, we are the world's top-ranked food retailer in the CDP programs, and we are listed on more than 120 international sustainability indices. 230 years after we started our business activity, we continue to take steps that move us forward based on the values that guide us, raising the bar, relying on each other, and believing in doing the right thing.